Like we said, one of the benefits of studying at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute is that you get to learn with brand new machine, yani vitu mpya, zero mileage. As you can see behind me, this is an excavator. Excavator being offloaded officially here at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute. And if you want to be the first one, among the first one to experience this, to experience it and learn with brand new machine, it can only happen here at Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Zitatoka.